Good morning, 6 a.m. I'm out here, beautiful Grand River. Target for today is buffalo and carp. It's raining early in the morning, so the water level is pretty high. I'm gonna set up my rod and make the first cast. This is what I got. This one has a strawberry jello in it, so you don't need a feeder for it. It's pretty hard. It can go directly on the hook. The other type of dough I have is just a mixture of bread, cornmeal, some whole corn. Just gonna put a small amount of dough on this hook. Squeeze it in. In the other hook, I'm putting some corn. Yeah. Here's my setup for the second rod. A feeder, followed by a hook with a short leader. Carp fishing is all about patience. You gotta be able to wait for hours before you see some action. The sun is rising. I should get a bite anytime now. Usually carp is pretty active in the morning. Here we go, the fish is biting. It seems like a small carp. It's not fighting much. It's a beautiful fish. My bait is back in the water. As I was waiting for the next fish to bite, I saw something strange in the water. A dead walleye was floating around. Right, we have another fish. It also seems to be pretty small, not fighting hard enough. I noticed that my line was pretty loose, so as I was reeling it in, there was actually a fish that was hooked, but was just sitting around. Another beautiful fish. Well, it's been a great trip. I did catch many fish, and the wind is picking up now, so I'm going to call it a day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.